Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Unfortunately, the previous video was without voice, but yani it is fine. You deserve the effort. Now we were talking about polynomial function, even degree or odd degree, and the relation between it and the leading coefficient. The odd function, the end behavior are in opposite direction. So both cases here, they have opposite direction, while in the even degree, same direction. Either are going up or both are going down, while for the odd function, they have opposite direction. How would I know? According to the right side. If the leading coefficient is positive, which is the first number for the polynomial, the right side should go up. If it is negative, the right side should go up. If it is negative, so the right side of the polynomial should be going down. For the odd function, since the right side is up, so the left side will be down, and vice versa. If the leading coefficient negative, so the right side will be down and the left side will be up. For even, since they have the same direction, both either be up or will both either be what? Down. So these are the main idea. Odd opposite direction, up and down. Even same direction. Leading coefficient positive, الجهة اليمين up. Leading coefficient is negative, الجهة اليمين down. Done. Let us see the question. Select domain and range of. This is a positive leading coefficient. So leading coefficient is positive. We have even degree 8. So the domain will be all real numbers. So part B and C are not correct. So the answer will be either A or D. Since I have an even function, so the domain and range will not be all real numbers. لأنه هذا choice if the degree is odd. And I have even, which is this one. And I said something more. The graph, this graph represent y equal ax squared, ax power 4, ax power 6, ax power 8. كلها have the same direction. Both are going up. So domain is all real numbers will range the minimum value of the function is at 0 and the function is going up. So from up greater than or equal 0. Now the next question is the same idea. Once you see question like this, select all statement true about the graph. So we are talking about the graph. I have to remember these things here. Type, what do we have? Leading coefficient is negative. Degree is even. So negative and even both will be going down. Either the graph will be like this or the graph will be like M so far. Domain is all real number is a correct choice. Range is all real number. This is not correct. This one for the odd function. Y-intercept located at 0, 0. How would I know? Simply, I will replace these instead of x and y in the function itself. Yani, is it true that 0 equal negative 3 by 0 to the power 4 plus 5 by 0 to the power 3 plus 4 by 0 power 2? And if you calculate the right side, you will get the 0 of equal 0. So this answer is also correct. A relative minimum is located at between negative 1 and 0, and I have no idea so far. Why? Because we have to make sure to know the exact graph of this polynomial function. But part D, real zeros is located at. Once they said real zeros, so it means that I have to look for mode 5, 4. Why mod 5, 4? Because I have a power of 4. If you did it in your calculator, and you will get x equal negative 1, 0, 2 over 3, and 2. So this is the correct choice again. Okay. For which function does a range only included f of x that greater than or equal 0? Yani y is greater than or equal 0. That means we are not talking about an odd function. We are talking about an even function. Even function is greater than 0, so it is x to the power 4. لأنه I talked about the graph of x to the power 4 at the top of the page here. Same story. This one is a very nice question. I hope you will see questions like this in your exam. Determine the end behavior. What is written in blue is always fixed. When we are going to the right, the function will go up and down, we will see. And if we are going left, the function is going well. So if we see that in both cases, my function is going down. So if we are going right, we are going to negative infinity. And if we are going left, we are going to negative infinity, which means we are going down. Is the degree odd or even? Since both are going to the same direction, we have an even function. State the number of zeros. We see how many times the graph touch or cross or tangent the x-axis or touch it. 3 times. Where? At x equal negative 2, x equals 0, and x equals to 2. This is it. Okay. Study hard. This is the end of year exam. This affects your marks. Either you pass and success, and your mark is bright. It's 50% of the whole semester. All your 50% of everything we did in the past 3 months, and this exam is 50%, which is too much. Type. As x goes to negative infinity, the function goes to infinity. If I'm going left, the function is going up. Yani the graph so far is coming like this, going up. And when are going right, the function is moving down. We are going right, the function is moving down. So the graph will be like this. That means I have an odd function. Nice. The right side is going down, so the leading coefficient is negative. So I have to search for odd power with a negative leading coefficient. This is odd with negative leading, this is odd with negative leading. We are done. Piece of cake. Nice. Next. Same story. What is this? Odd. Nice. There is no need to write what I'm writing here. I'm writing just to let you know how the procedure is coming. When leading coefficient is a positive number. So odd with positive, معناته the graph will be somehow like this. Or like this, it doesn't matter with me. I do care about this. Try to remember where is it? هذول كيف الجراف leading even either W or U, M or I have no idea what they wanna call it. الأود zigzag up and down or down up. It will be very easy for you to understand the story. طيب هاي رسمنا. From the left, the function is going down, negative infinity. From the right, the function is going up, positive infinity. Piece of cake. Next one. We have odd. Let me change the colors. Odd. Leading coefficient is negative. So the graph will be like this. Up like this. Don't care. أنا يهمني again the leading coefficient. I do care about this. Sorry. red color. Din, 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 din. From the right, from the left, the function is going up infinity. From the right, the function is going down to negative infinity. Done. Look at the graph. Hello. Same direction up. Yani from the left is going up, from the right is going up. This is it. Piece of cake. Next one. Opposite direction. So x, from we are going to infinity, to the right the function is going up, and when we are going to the left the function is going down. Bas, done. I added one more thing about the domain and range of this. What is the domain? And what is the range? I have an odd function. Domain is negative infinity to infinity with range negative infinity to infinity. In case they ask you about this one, just to make sure. Right. This one, x, we need the domain and range. Domain from negative infinity to infinity. Range, I have to check the y value of the function. The minimum place is here, and the graph is above in -4. Yani y greater than or equal -4. Or you can write it from -4 to infinity. Okay, next. These are easy. What is the sum? Now we combine like terms. 9 plus 7 plus 9, it will be 16x to the power 3. 4x minus 2x is positive 2x. 3x plus is 8x plus 4. What is it? It is the first one, I think, yes. Multiply. We multiply numbers, we add powers. 3 times 4 is 12x power 5. 21x minus 3 times 9 is 27x power 3 plus 39. If we subtract, we switch the sign of the second bracket. Yani this one will be minus 6x plus 4x plus x minus 4, and we combine like them. 7x minus 2x is 5x to the power 4 minus 5 minus 6 is minus 11x power 3. 8x plus 4x is positive 12x squared. 9x plus x is 10x. And negative 13 plus 4, minus 4, sorry, is minus 17. And the answer is, I assume, D. Okay, next. And I did 39 in the class. I will work on 40. When we multiply numbers, we add powers. So it will be 15x to the power 4 minus 20x power 3 minus 45x squared. Now negative 6 by 3 is negative 18x to the power 3 plus 24x squared plus 54x. And the last one is 3 by 3 is 9x squared minus 12x minus 27. And now we combine the like terms. 15x power 4 will be done. Minus 20x power 3 minus 18 will be minus 38x power 3 minus 45 plus 24 plus 9 minus 45 plus 24 plus 9 negative 12 x squared 54 minus 12 plus 42x minus 27. Next, determine the quotient. When we divide, we do the opposite. We divide numbers, we subtract powers. And I think I solved 42, now I will solve 41. Let me write it in this way. 56x to the power 8 plus 16x to the power 2 over 8x to the power 2. 56 divided by 8 is 7. So it will be 7x 8 minus 2 power 6. 16 divided 8 is 2x power 2 with x power 2 are cancelled and we are done. Same story for this one. I will divide straightforward. 18 divided 6 is 3. Subtract the power of x power 3, power of y will be power 2. Plus 24 divided 6 is 4, x power 5 and x power 3. It will be x power 2, y cube and y squared will be only y. Minus 30 divided 6 is 5, x cube cancel, y squared with y squared are cancelled and we are done. This one is same idea. If this times 7g to the power negative 1, it means it will be at the denominator. Yani this one should be written as 14g power 3 plus 21g squared minus 7g all over 7g. Now we do like what we did up. 14 divided 7 is 2g squared. 3g minus 1. And the next one, same story, we divide. 15 divided 5 is 3r to the power 6 minus r to the power 8 minus 4 is 4. 40 over 5 is 8r to the power negative 2. Since the power is negative, we had to reciprocate it. Plus 8 على r squared. Next one, same story. This one the expanding. Yalla. Which of the following is the expansion of? We said we will start since the power is 5. 5 combination 0. 5 combination 1. 5 2. 5 combination 4. 5 combination 5. JK. JK. Or JK. The powers are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we use our calculator. 5 combination 0, it will be 1. So the answer will be, our k power 0 is 1, so it will be only j power 5. 5 combination 1 is 5. j power 4 k power 1. 5 combination 2 these are should be calculated. It will be 10. Calculator. The combination you can find it at above divide. Yani shift, you write 5, shift divide, then you write the number 1 or 2 or 3. j power 3 k power 2 10 j power 2 k power 3 5 j k وهذا k power 5. Okay, one more one. And I did question number 47, but let me do it one more time. It is fine. Let me just write it down. Let me write it here. This is question number 47. It is 2m minus 5k to the power 5. So since the power is 5, we start with the combination. 5 combination 0, 5 combination 1, 5 combination 2, 5 combination 3, 5 combination 4, and 5 combination 5. Yes, I forget here. Once we wrote all these guys, since the binomial is j with k are added, so I have to add all these with each other. So if you add it, you will get this answer. Okay? For minus, the story is a little bit different like our example, but let us expand it first. Then we have 2m and 5k. 2m, 5k. $5K. The powers. Power 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the idea now with the calculator. What should I calculate? 5 combination 0, 2 to the power 5, 5 to the power 0. All these should be multiplied by each other to get 32 m to the power 5. Same story, 5 combination 1, 2 to the power 4 times 5 to the power 1. You will get 400 m to the power 4k. Then, same story. $2,000 m to the power 3 k power 2. 5 combination 3 times 2 to the power 2, 3, 5 to the power 3, it will be 5,000. M squared k power 3, 6,250 m squared, it is only m, k power 4. Well, last one, 3,125 k to the power 5. Now, how can I write this, Mister? Since I have a negative here, the signs will be alternating. يعني, the answer will be positive 32 m to the power 5 minus 400 m4k plus 2,000 m to the power 3 k power 2 minus 5,000 m squared k power 3 plus 625 m k power 4 minus 3,125 k to the power 5. Okay. Okay. Factoring. Since I have 4 terms, so the main idea of the factoring is by grouping. We group the first two together and the last two together. Between the first two, the least power is x to the power 2. Take it out, x power 3. لما نشيل x square you have only x. Negative 5x square. X square برا we have only negative 5. Plus, what is the common between 9 and 45 is 9. So 9 is out, I have x. 45 divide 9 is 5. How can I make sure your answer is correct? Two ways. If you remultiply 9 by x, 9x, 9 by 5 is 45 is correct. And the second thing, I should have a common thing between the both terms, which is what? X minus 5. What is left? X squared plus 9. Oh, x squared plus 9 is not factorable, so we are done. Same story here. Factor the polynomial. First two together, last two together. First two, الأقل power x squared. Take it out, we'll have x minus 5. The common between negative 4 and 20 is negative 4. If you take negative 4, you have x. 20 divide negative 4 is negative 5. Double check. Negative 4 by x, negative 4x, negative 4 by negative 5, positive 20. Your answer is correct. Common thing, same story. X minus 5 together. Sorry, in red. And I have x squared minus 4 together. X squared minus 4, it is x minus 2, x plus 2. Well, this one is x minus 5. So the answer is A. Next one. Oppa. عادي. Factor the polynomial. If it cannot be factored, then write prime. We take the first three together and the last three together. The first three we have a common, which is r cube. I will have w square plus 6w plus 9. Y to the power 3 and w square plus 6w plus 9. Sorry. And I have this as a common. R to the power 3 plus y to the power 3. W square plus 6w plus 9. طيب. The right side here is mod 5, 3. You will get w equal negative 3, one solution. That means w plus 3 squared. Then I have only one solution. I have to double it. Now we will be talking about this one, or we talked about it before. طيب. R cube plus y cube. This is a sum of two cubes. And I think the rule is written or given in your formula sheet. A cube plus b cube is a plus b. A squared minus ab plus b squared. So I will apply it here. So it will be r plus y. R squared minus ry plus y squared. And the answer is B. These two together with these two together, x is a common. x minus y plus 3 في x minus y. X minus y is a common. and I have x minus 3 again is a common, which is x plus 3. Sorry. شفتوا? I made a mistake. Be careful. Plus 3. The common is positive 3. This one. Okay. Next. Which substitution could be used? To be as a quadratic, I have to have something to the power 2, plus or minus, it doesn't matter. Something plus a constant. So this should be the same thing. X to the power 6, I will write it as x to the power 3 all squared minus 10x to the power 3 plus 16. So this is my u, which is the same expression. الأول square والثاني لا, plus 16. Solve. You can put this thing on calculator, since if it is a multiple choice, and you will get the answer straightforward. If it is not, and it is a written response, I will use mod 5.3, but instead of having x, I will write x squared. Why? Because the power is x power 4. طبعا this one will be x squared plus 16 و x squared minus 1 mod 5.3. طبعا again guys, I need x, not x squared, so I have to take the square root for all these. So x will be plus or minus 4i. Make sure the setting of your calculator in complex. Do not forget your calculator. Radical 1 is positive minus 1. The answer is A. Why you are coming to math exam without calculator? Go home. Do not forget. Which substitution can be used to write any quadratic? Again, same story. I have to square it. What is the square root of 36? So it will be 6x squared all square plus. Now ask yourself, this is 12 is 6 times what? It is 6 times 2. يعني 2 في 6x squared plus 4. Why I did it? لأنه I need the same expression. الأول squared والثاني is not squared. 6x squared. This one is the same idea, but I have to move 5 there. حتى عادي. What is the square root of 64? Is 8x power 3 square. Someone will said, Mr. I will write it as 8x square power 3. طب Mr. and I need it quadratic. Why it has a power of 3? لا. It should have be a power of 2. Plus, same question, 24 is 8 times what? بتقول لي 8 times 3. So it will be 3 by 8x to the power 3 minus 5. لأنه هذا 3 times 8 is 24, which is نفسها. Equals to 0. And this is my u. So u squared plus 3u minus 5. Oh, that's it. Okay. Solve. Full workout. Mod 5.3 first of all, عشان to be in the safe side. X squared equal negative 2 or X squared equals 1, and I will factor negative 1. So it will be X squared minus 2 or X squared plus 1 equals to 0. Let me write it well. هذول الاثنين. 2 here or minus 1 there. And I need X, so I'll take the square root. X will be plus or minus radical 2 because it has no answer, or this is X equal to plus or minus 1. And these are the solutions. Next. What is the remainder when f of x divides by? Simple. I will make x make it equal to 0, so x will be negative 3. I have to replace negative 3 instead of x. Negative 3 to the power 4 plus negative 3 to the power 3 minus 2 في negative 3 squared plus 5 في negative 3 minus 4. And the answer will be 17. So the remainder is 17. Next. If x plus 2 is a factor, find the remaining. If x plus 5, show x plus 5 is a factor, then find the remaining factor. All have the same idea. I will solve this. Why I need to solve this? 64 asks us to determine whether x plus 2 is a factor of, then we have to find the remaining factor. 65 asks the same thing. Is it a factor? Then find the roots. So what is the difference between the both? The difference in here, I need to find the value of x. 64 I need to factor only. Right, what should we do? You will see when I'm solving. I will make this one equal to 0, so x will be negative 2. I will put negative 2 in the box and I will do the synthetic. 1, negative 6, negative 1, 30. We drag the first one down and we multiply. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Add them. Negative 8 times negative 2 is 16. Add them. 15 by negative 2, negative 30. The remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. That means in x plus 2 is a factor. Type. The second part, we need to find the remaining. The highest power is x to the power 3, so I have to start with x squared, x and positive 15. So I have x plus 2, which is the first one, x squared minus 8x plus 15. Mod 5, 3 of this one. You will get two solutions, 5 and 3, and I don't need it. I need to write the factors. X minus 5 or x minus 3, this is x plus 2. We are done. Next. Yalla. Now this one is the same story. To determine whether x minus 2 is a factor of, I will make it equal to 0. So x will be 2. We put it in the box. We have 2, negative 1, negative 7, and 2 again. We drag it 2 down. And we multiply here. 2 by 2 is 4. Add them. 3 by 2 is 6. Add them. Negative 1 by negative 2 is negative 2, 0. The remainder is 0. That means x minus 2 is a factor. طيب. It is a factor. Then what the question asked me to do? The question is asking me to find the remaining factor. So I will do like what I did. The highest power was power 3. So this is power 2 and this is power x. So I have x minus 2, the beginning one. 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Mod 5, 3 of this one, you will get x equals negative 3 plus radical 17 over 2. Or x equal negative 3 minus radical 17 over 2. Or the first one, x equals to 2. So these are the roots. This is the end of part number 2. Thank you so much.